Hello friends, how are you? Today we are baking semolina cake. This cake will be very spongy and very fluffy. And this cake will be baked in cooker, a pressure cooker. Welcome friends. Now take 2 cups of semolina. In Hindi, this is called Suji. Take full 2 cups of semolina. And this is 2nd cup of semolina. This is also called Suji. And this is measurement cup. All the things that will be used for our baking process will be measured by the same cup. This is our measurement cup. And measurement is very important in baking techniques. Now grind it in very fine powdered form. And this is very finely powdered semolina. This type of powdered semolina is very useful for our baking techniques. Now preheat the pressure cooker for 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. And take some salt and spread it onto the bottom surface of the pressure cooker. And preheat the pressure cooker for 5 to 10 minutes from in medium to low flame. Spread all salt onto the bottom of the pressure cooker. Now friends, preheat this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take this finely powdered form of semolina, that is Suji. And now again from the same cup, take 1 full cup of sugar. This will go into the mixer grinder spot. The same cup is used for all measurements in our baking. Now grind it into the powdered form, and this is powdered sugar. 1 full cup of powdered sugar. Now add this powdered sugar into semolina. Add this powdered form of sugar into semolina, powdered semolina. Now look, this type of powdered form that will be required for our baking. Add 2 teaspoon, that is little spoon, 2 teaspoonful of Aatta, wheat flour, simple wheat flour. Now add a little bit of milk and prepare our dough. And just making our dough. This dough is beaten manually by our hand into the clockwise direction, or you can use anti-clockwise, sometimes clockwise and sometimes anti-clockwise, and beaten very fastly. And a little bit of milk is introduced every time after 2 or 3 times of clockwise or anti-clockwise beaten. Now this type of consistency that will be required for baking technique. Now rest it for another 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, add a little bit of milk and again beat it for 5 minutes into anti-clockwise. Now grease the cake tin, that this is this type of container we are using, and grease it at all the corners of the cake tin by all. Now add 2 teaspoonful of baking powder. Again 2 teaspoonful means a small spoon of 2 small spoon of baking powder and 1 small spoon, 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. 2 small spoon of baking powder and 1 spoonful of baking soda. This is a little bit pinch of salt, and put a stand so that the direct contact between the cake tin and the bottom of the cooker will not touch. This type of consistency is required for our cake. Now pour the mixture into this container. This is called cake tin, or you can use any circular this type of vessel, and put this cake tin into our pressure cooker over the stand that will be not contacted with. Remove the load from the pressure cooker and bake it for approximately 35 minutes in low to medium flame, in medium to low flame. We are also adding some dry fruits in our dough, and look, after 35 minutes, look how it is baked. Wow, delicious, delicious, very delicious. Look how puffy it has looked from all corners, from all sides. Look, it's very fluffy and it is very spongy and very delicious feast for your guest. Very sweet dessert this is used as, and this is very simple. And Suji is very useful in our Indian homes. That's Semolina. Thank you, friends. I hope you will enjoy this cake. Please follow me, share my videos to your friends, relatives, and please subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos. And very take care of yourself. Thank you, friends.